Today's home workout is a chair workout, and as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I've put together some of the best chair exercises. So how it's going to work, I'm going to be doing the routine with you in real time. We're going to really focus a lot on your core. We're going to really strengthen through those abs because that is so important, especially if perhaps you're recovering from an injury or if you've got limited mobility. You can also do this workout in the office. So we'll get straight into it. We're going to start with a little bit of mobility, the workout, and then a cool down stretch. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're just going to quickly do these few moves. So we're just going to start with doing 8 of these where we're just going to swing with a little core rotation from one side to the other. We're just doing 8 reps. This is just about warming up your core, ready for the workout ahead. Now just give me 8 of these shoulder rotations. You can make them a little bit bigger, and if you prefer to have no coaching, you can mute me and listen to some music. And then let's go for 8 of these full arm swings. And that's just to get ready for the chair workout ahead. So let's get started. The first part, I'm just going to quickly preview the first move for you. So sitting well on your chair, we're going to go for doing a basic march. We're going to do this for a duration of 30 seconds. So you can see the timer bar there. And we are doing 9 moves in total. So with this, what I want you to do is really make sure you're keeping that upper body nice and straight. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in and really make full use of your arms. And if you're able to use the legs, then we're just going to do that mimic marching. Now here is a preview of the next move. We're going to be working through your abs and your core. We're going to do a seated twist. So you're going to take opposite elbow to knee. So let's get ready. So arms up, elbow to knee, and really make sure you take that full twist so you're really working through that fullest range of motion. This is working through your abdominals. If you can't lift the legs, then just take that opposite elbow over, so we're still getting that rotation through the core. So I'm working your abs and obliques. Then your next move coming up, we're going to do a similar move, but we're going straight to doing cardio punches. So we're not having any rests because we're going to get super fit and strong. Let's just go straight to those punches. This is move 3 of 9. And really keep those core muscles where I've highlighted, really keep them fully engaged. This is really a great seated ab workout as well. And the most important thing is, if we've got a strong core, we've got a strong body. So let's just keep going. And you can see the next move coming up, we're doing a heel dig with a bicep curl. If you can't use the legs, then just simply follow along and do the arms. So we're going to get ready to just straighten one leg and lift the toes up. So it's that heel dig. Keep the arms into the side. We're just doing a little bend through the elbows. And this is really good because this is working now through the shin muscle known as the tibialis anterior. We're also really working through the arms. And again, that's 30 seconds on there. Just keep going. Next move coming up, we're going to do a heel lift and just extend both arms up. So now lift up the heels and push those arms back, and make sure all time that you are sitting comfortably in the chair as well. And just really exaggerate, lift those heels up as high as you can off the floor, extend those arms up straight. That's good. So we're halfway through on this move, keeping that going. So you can see the next move coming up. This time we're going to push your arms in front, working through your chest muscle. Then you're going to lift the leg and do a little bit of a kick. If you can't do the legs, just follow along with the arms. And it's really important with this one, always keep those core tummy muscles fully engaged. That's going to protect your back, but it also means we're constantly working your abdominals, creating that stronger core known as your transverse abdominis. All right, so next move coming up, this one here, again, we're doing a heel dig, but we're doing a straight arm swing. So we'll get ready to go straight onto that next move. And just really powerful. So really swing through with those arms. And this is where it's a really lovely cardio seated workout. The great thing is you can do this in the office. You can do this if you're recovering from injury. Also, if you have limited mobility, this is ideal. Let's just keep that going, doing really well. So next move coming up, this time now, you're just going to imagine you are swimming. So we're doing swimming arms, and then we're doing a slight knee lift as well. So again, sit nice and tall. Keep those core muscles pulled in. This is move 8 of 9. We're flying through this workout. And again, what I want you to do now, belly button, pull it in as tight as you can for me. That's good. Keeping that going. Well done. And we're just going to have a little preview of the final move. So this one here, really lovely controlled core move. So let's keep going to the end on there. So next move, sit up nice and tall for me. Again, fully engage those tummy muscles and do a slight rotation to one side. Come back, then take that to the other side. So we're doing that twist. So again, now working the waist, we're working those abdominals, working into your internal and external obliques. Keeping that going. That's good. Last little bit, and then what we're going to do, you and I are just going to do a lovely little stretch. So just release those arms and just swing through with the arms. Just take a few nice deep breaths in and deep breaths out. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the arms behind, and now just feel a lovely stretch through your chest, just where I'm highlighting here. Just relax back. And now we're going to bring the arms in front and just feel a lovely stretch through the top of your upper back, through the back, shoulders. And now let's take one arm across. Just feel this through the side of the arm, upper arm, just where the arrow is pointing. Feel that stretch. Take that to the other side. Holding that there. And now let's do a lovely waist stretch. Just feel that down the side. And I'm going to leave a link right at the end to lots of different blogs I've got on healthy lifestyle. I've got recipes, motivation, so much for you. So well done. You've just invested in your future health. There is your high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.